Here we are, 1964 Chevelle Malibu SS. I'm going to start with a walk around here, so you have a chance to see the vehicle up nice and close. And I'm going to try to get under it here a little bit too. Show you with the condition of the body here on the outside. Definitely needs some love to be a beautiful Chevelle on the outside. You'll see some old damage over here. But I'll tell you what, it is such a good start on a car. Yep, you've got some cancer in the quarters. But the floor pans were very, very solid. And when the body came off the frame, they were all clean, super nice and repainted. And you'll see in the photos too that the frame was all painted at the same time. You'll be going on a road test with me here as well, so you can see it does run and drive and stop. All that good stuff. All right, coming around this side of it, some nice looking rally wheels. And if we can go ahead and open up the hood there, I'm going to show you around the inside here real quick too. Get my coat out of here so you can see better. But you've got, I believe, period correct bucket seats. They were not in here when I got the car. They had something else that was not correct. But I do know that it's always had the clutch pedal here, a hole cut in the floor, so I'm confident it was born as a 4-speed car, and I don't see anything else on the steering column, like it had a column shift at any point. Yeah, I do have a new dash and a new dash pad that will be included with the sale. And it's super cool though. Look at the console. I love the fact that now you've got a correct console in the car. That's a big win. Everybody wants a correct 4-speed shifter. It does shift properly through all 4 gears and reverse too. In the back seat, this area obviously needs some work too. And headliner is not included. All right, we're gonna do the engine next, and then we'll take a look underneath. 283 cubic inches coming at you. Original black on black car, to my knowledge. That's how everything decodes there on the trim tag. That's pretty cool. First year SS, real SS, 4-speed car. You'll see the frame, great detail was taken on it. That's not just the front portion, but everything under the entire vehicle was done at that level. Freshened up 283 cubic inches. Maybe not a big enough engine for some of you, but great start. You got a teen driver, that's the way to go. Get them behind that 283 first. Get to know a little bit of horsepower before you need a whole bunch of it. You can see it's very nicely done with the frame and so forth. The pictures, I think, are going to showcase that a little bit better. So now let's take a look underneath. But I forgot to mention too, it does have a newer 4-row radiator. So even if you were to put a bigger engine in there, you're going to have some real cooling capacity here. So down in the front, let's see what we got. You can see up under here pretty good. Take you around this side over here. Front end was all rebuilt, of course, with everything, brakes and bushings, all the stuff that you'd expect when the body's taken off the frame. Let's see if I can get under here a little bit better for you too. You can see the floors are really solid. I am not aware of there ever being any rust in any of the floor pans. Get a little bit of a glimpse of the transmission. You can see the cutoffs. If glass packs are too quiet for you. And I'm going to continue around the back of the car here too. Give you a better perspective here. Again, you're going to see a lot of photos I just want to show you that, yeah, it's pretty clean under here. Gas tank was taken out and flushed. I believe I sprayed some clear on there. Must have not held up super awesome. 10-volt rear, 308, open. Body mounts were done at the time, but we are in Colorado, so it might be showing a couple little cracks in there, but that was all done in, I believe, 2016. They were all brand new at that time. Okay, let's come up around the other side of the car. And see if I can show you anything under here. It's a Saginaw 4-speed. No U-joints. Transmission does drip a little bit. Let's see if I can show you that better. That bell housing is really nice, though. It's the 119621 casting number that will take that 11-inch flywheel. So you're set if you want to go big with horsepower, for that anyways. All right. Well, that brings us to a conclusion here with the end of my walk-around video. But there is more to come. Definitely don't miss the ride-along, as you get to see this beautiful 64 Chevelle SS frame-off project car in motion. Stay tuned.